another important principle. I call it one-glance merchandising. What that means is when a patient sees your optical for the first time, they should be able to tell at one glance that you have what they want. If they're looking for high quality, high fashion frames, something really special, you can tell just from the look of this optical, the way that it's designed, that the more expensive frames, the high fashion frames, are going to be over here in these locked showcases. They're going to be in a curved wall with a lovely wood veneer on it. And we've set this off with some marble flooring and a special light fixture. It's really obvious that this is where the high-end frames are. Now, that same person, if they can't come in and they're looking for a more moderate price frame, they can tell at one glance that you have what they want, because they will look over here and say, oh, okay, that's where they've got the really high style frames, but look over here. There's plenty for me to choose from. So the price point has to be communicated in the way that the displays are set up. And I think you'll see, if you think about it and you start to observe, you'll see a lot of opticals out there where people just fill them up with wall-to-wall frames, and there's no price differentiation. If you take a $500 frame and you hang it on one of these frame bars, it doesn't look like $500. It absolutely doesn't. You need to put it in a special showcase like this. Then the patient can perceive, yes, this should cost $500. Also, another observation here is that we can display frames without any showcases, without spending $3,000 for a full height fixture. Frames just hung on frame bars on the wall and lit up with track lights. That's a perfectly good way to display moderate frames. So you put the money where the high-end frames are, and this, you can spend less money. You spend less money to display your moderate and lower price frames.